Welcome back to the SQL series. Hope you're having a great time learning here. In this video, we are going to cover retrieving specific columns, sorting data, and using where clause with and, or keywords. Let's jump straight into it. First, let's begin by retrieving specific columns. Have this query here which says select star from this table. When I execute this, I get all the data with all the columns and all the rows. If we just need a specific column, then I need to mention that column in the select statement. Let's say I just need the column age. So this becomes select age from this table. Let's execute this. These are the values we just saw. Similarly, when we need multiple columns, all we need to do is to mention all of them in the select statement. As an example, let's say if we need age, gender, category, location, so we'll write age, gender, category, location. Let's select all of this and execute. We get the data from the mentioned columns and we have all the rows here. Be very careful while mentioning the columns which has spaces in them. As an example, customer ID or items purchased. If you use them just like that, SQL won't understand that it's a column name. But there's a cool trick which can solve this. If you know that, please comment below. Or if you don't know that, please wait till the end of the video so that I can show you the best practice. Moving on, when I look at the output I got this from the query, you might see that the data is not sorted in any way, right? Let's see how do we sort the data. We can sort the data by any columns, be it age, gender, category, or location in this example. The keyword for sorting is order by. Remember, it's not just order, it's order by. And then give your column name. Let me sort this by age. So I'll start with order by and mention the column age. Let me select and execute. You can see that the whole output is sorted now. Please remember, we are not modifying the database in this case. We are just altering the output we need or the results we see. And you can see by default, it has got sorted by ascending order. I can use the keyword DESC, short for descending, to sort the other way. So let me start with writing DESC. Let's select and execute. See, the result has been sorted the other way now. We can sort using multiple columns as well. If you want to sort by age and location, all you need to do is to mention that column. In this example, let me write age, descending, and then location. Let's select and execute. You can see that the data has been sorted by age in a descending order and location in an ascending order. Another cool trick is that you don't have to call out the entire column name in the order by section. Instead, you can call by the number based on which it arrives in the select command. Like age becomes 1, gender becomes 2, category becomes 3, and location becomes 4 in this example. So let me replace age by 1 and location by 4. And let's select and execute. You can see that we get the same result. Alright, we have seen how to use where clause in the previous video. Now expanding on it, let's see how to filter the data based on multiple columns. As an example, if you want to filter the data based on age and gender, you can do that with the keyword and. It goes like select the columns that we need from this table where age, let's say 20, and gender, let's take female. Let's select the query and execute. With this, we see the records of female who are 20-year-old. We can expand this for multiple columns. Another operator you can use is the OR operator. In place of AND, if you use OR, let's execute, you would end up getting data of everyone who are either 20-year-old or who's a female. Now, coming back to the question I asked you earlier, how do you mention the column when it has a space in between? There are three ways to achieve this. First, with a double quotation. So let's start with the double quotes in the select statement. Double quotes, customer ID, and let's select everything and execute. You can see that we got the customer ID. But there is one thing to note. In the order by, it still says 1 and 4. So technically, it's sorting by customer ID and category in this case. It's not sorting by age and location. So you need to be careful about it. So in order to sort by age and location now, let's mention order by 2, descending, and 5 for location. The second approach is with the backtick. Remember, it's not a single quote, it's the backtick. Now let's select and execute. You can see that we are getting the exact same result. The third method is using the square brackets. We get the exact same result. As a bonus section, I have 3 SQL interview preparation questions to you. First, is SQL case sensitive? Second, what is an alias in SQL? And third, can we use keywords as aliases? Please let me know the answers in the comment, or we can discuss about them in the next video. I hope this video was helpful and I believe you learned something today. Please like, comment, share and subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned.